Introduce highlight features or overview summary of SereneLife large folding utility shopping cart with removable liner. There are features include sturdy and versatile design. Built with a high-quality steel frame and tear-resistant, weatherproof fabric, this shopping cart is ideal for grocery shopping, laundry, or luggage. Enjoy the convenience of a foldable shopping cart with wheels. Easy to use anywhere. The grocery cart is equipped with 360-degree swivel wheels for exceptional maneuverability on cobblestones, snow, and sand. Ergonomic foam-covered handle ensures a comfortable grip, making each shopping effortless. Solves your storage needs. Say goodbye to clutter. With large storage capacity and multiple pockets with secure closures, this foldable shopping cart keeps your items organized and safe. Its foldable design allows for easy storage anywhere. Robust technical specs. The foldable shopping cart with wheels has a max height of 41 inches, front wheels with a 3.9 inches diameter and rear wheels at 7.8 inches. Supports up to 110 pounds assembled DIMS, 18.97 x 22.67 x 41.06 inches, disassembled, 21.25 x 3.14 x 43.1 inches. Extra convenient features. Quick and tools-free assembly gets you ready to roll in no time with our collapsible grocery cart. The detachable cart liner is easy to clean, and the stable low center of gravity design prevents tipping. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.